and girls, and give my special shout out to my Mustangs at Jolene Elementary. I'm here today to talk about matter and how matter is everywhere. So, before we go on, I have a story, and then guess what, guys? We're gonna go to a birthday party, and we're gonna look for matter, okay? I knew you would love it. Okay, so I want you to have your listening ears on. Frankie, Camilla, and Sam, ready? Are you guys ready? Norelli, here we go. We're going to read the story first so you guys know what we're going to be looking for at the birthday party. So this is Matter, Matt, and the birthday party. Who's our character in our story right now? That is right. It's right, Preston. That is Matt. And Matt is going to a birthday party and he wants to look for matter. So this is Matt. This is Matt. He's always looking for matter. This is why his friends call him Matter Matt. Hi, Matter Matt. Matt knows that everything is made of matter. He knows that there are three kinds of matter. There are solids, liquids, and what? What is it? You're right, Vance. It's gases. Today, Matt is looking for matter at a birthday party. Oh, wow. Matt looks around. What does he see? He sees a cake, presents, and some party hats. Wow, look at Matt. He sees a cake, hats, presents, and a hat. Wow, I want to wear a hat. I bet you do too. Do you want to wear a hat? Yes, I do. Okay, let's go. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, this talks about solids. See our symbol here? This represents solids. Matt knows that solids have a shape and size. I'm going to repeat that because it's really important you know that. Solids have a shape and size. The cake is, what shape is that, Camila? That is round. You're right, it is round. The presents are hard and square. What shape are the presents, Jesus? That's right, they're square. The party hats are cones. What shape are the party hats, Frankie? Cones, that's right. These are all solids. All of these are solids, says Matter Matt. Solids have particles that are very, very close together. They're really close. Oh my goodness, can I get closer? Closer, closer? And they are packed and arranged in a structure. And they're very, very strong. The bonds are very strong in a solid. I can't break that bond. I bet you can try at home to try to break it, but you usually can't break a solid. Look at Matt now. Matt looks around some more. What does he see? Camila, can you tell me what he sees? He sees a pitcher full of juice and some empty cups. He sees juice and some empty cups. Empty means they're not full. They're not full. They're empty. Liquids take the shape of whatever you put in them. Matt pours the juice into the cups. He pours it into the cups, and juice takes the shape of whatever is put into it. The shape of the cups. So the juice is now the shape of the cups. The juice is a liquid, says Matter Matt. He found a liquid. So liquids are slightly different. They're slightly more spread apart. The particles are slightly, so solids we're really, really, really close together. Oh, wow, we're close, 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 close. And then a liquid, we're more spread apart. We're more spread apart. We're kind of jumbled. We're not as structured. We're kind of over here, we're over here, we're over here, but we're still close. And the bonds are very strong still. Matt looks around again. What does he see? Oh my goodness, I love balloons. He sees some balloons. And balloons are full of what? Who can tell me? Who can tell me what this is? You're right, it is gases. Balloons are full of gases. And see, and when we go, we're producing gas. Gases are a little different. out all over the place like this. You can do this on your living room. They're spread out, and their bonds are not as strong. They're weak. They're weak. The balloons are floating up, 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 up. The balloons are full of special air. The balloons are full of, that's right, gas. Says Matter Matt, you cannot see it, but it's there. It's there. See all these little particles? They're all spread apart. They're all spread apart there because gases are weaker and they're not close and tight together. Matter Matt had fun at the birthday party. He found, what did he find? Everybody. Kylie, Sam, Camila, Frankie, Norelli. What did he find? Solids, liquids, and gases. Matter Matt cannot wait to look for matter again. The end. So I want to show you this little diagram here. This is solids. And you see how uniform they are? They're super close together. Can you get super close to your couch? Oh, that's right, you are. Look it, I'm super close and I'm uniform. So I'm in a line. I'm in a line like this. I don't move, I'm in a line. And see, so those are the molecules that make up a solid. In a liquid, they're still close together, but they're spread apart. And gases, see, they fly all over the place. They are not together really, and they're a lot weaker. But it's enough to hold them together, and those are gases. So now, guess what, guys? We get to go to a birthday party! Yay! You guys, I know you want to go to a birthday party and see balloons and cake and hats. Let's go! Here we are! Knock, knock, knock. I get to go in the door. It's a party! A birthday party for Matter Matt! Oh my goodness! What do I see? I see lots of things here. Oh wow, how fun! I wonder what all this is. Oh I'm so excited. Can I hold a bead? Sure you can, Norelli. What color would you like? Would you like pink? Sure, you want pink. All right, let's put it on. Norelli, look at this. This is kind of hard. What do you think that is? Do you think it would be? Do you think it would be a solid, liquid, or a gas? I think you're right, Norelli. It is a solid. It is a solid, and you get to wear it. And I'm going to wear it with you, okay? Thank you. Okay, now, I have some other things here. And I have this, and I have some bubbles. Let's see what the bubbles are. Yes. Can you guys see this? Now, two things just happened. What's in here is a liquid. I want to show you. This is a liquid. Can you see that? You're right, Frankie. It is a liquid. See? I can pour it into it, and it assumes a shape. Now, I just blew out and made bubbles. Wonder what I did. I made bubbles. Can you see it? I had to blow out, which created a gas. So I had two things going on here. I have a liquid and a gas. Wow. Okay, now let's talk about this. Camila, what is this? It's wrapped up. It's wrapped up. It's a present. It's a present. Oh, I can hear it. It makes noise too. It has, my sound's working. It's a present. What do you think it is? Do you think it's a solid, liquid, or a gas? Let's see if you choose. Do you think the present's a solid, liquid, or a gas? You're right, Camila. It is a solid. That is right. Good job, Camila. Okay. Oh, Teacher Kathy has put on her party hat. Yay for party hats. Now I look like I'm really at a party, right? So, wow. And do you remember Matter Matt in our story? He had a cone hat. Do you remember that? Sam, he had a cone hat. And his cone hat, remember that? And what was that? Was that a gas, solid, or a liquid? Sam? You're right, it was a solid. You're right, it is a solid. A cone is a solid. It is hard. The molecules are really tightly together, and it's really hard to break them. They're very strong. Okay, wow, oh my gosh, I have balloons and a lollipop. We gotta have our lollipops, right? And we have cake. Frankie, look at the cake. Do you see the cake, Frankie? We have the cake, wow. And then we have some other things. Look at this. I'm gonna blow. I want you to listen, okay? Wow, did you hear that? I heard that. And I'm using gases to blow out. So I want you guys to try that. Put your hand in front and blow on your hand. Take a deep breath in and blow out. It's like you're blowing out the candles. That's right. You did it. Good job. So that's gas. We're making gases. Or when you burp and you say, excuse me, that's a gas too. So anyways, so we have these balloons, and I'm going to show you. You're going to hear the gas because I'm going to pull it. I'm going to pull this sideways so you can hear it. Those are gases. Do you hear that? And watch. Where'd it go? It flew away. It flew away like my hat flew away. It flew away. Anyways, those are gases that were in the balloon that I blew into the balloon. So we have all these things to do, and Matt found all of these things. Oh my goodness. And then I have, let's try this. What is this? That's juice. You're right, guys. That's juice. So would juice be a solid, liquid, or a gas? Let's see how it pours. You're right, it is a liquid. It is a liquid. The juice forms its shape of what it's in. So it's in this container. And it's kind of mushy. It's not hard like a solid. So now that we did that, so now it's time to sing happy birthday. So what do we have to do? We have to light the candles to say happy birthday. Are you guys ready to do that? I knew you would be. Okay. Look at the candles are lit now and the wax is melting. This candle is a solid. This candle is melting. You can see the drips off of this candle. It's becoming a liquid. So isn't that interesting that a solid can turn into a liquid? And if you have ice cream at home, you also can do that. You can let it sit out and it'll turn into a liquid as well because it's a solid and then it goes to a liquid just like this candle is. Now we're going to blow it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Guess what? Teacher Kathy, we forgot to say happy birthday. Let's sing happy birthday because I know you guys love to do that. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to Athena. Happy birthday to Chris. Happy birthday to Frankie. Happy birthday to Camila. And many more, Norelli. Now we just blew out the candles on the cake. Now guess what time it is? It's time to cut the cake. Frankie, do you want cake? I bet you do. Camila, I know you do. Preston, do you want cake too? I want you guys to see this. Oh, I have to get my plate. What is my plate made out of? Is it a solid, liquid, or a gas? You guys are so smart now, you know it's a solid. That's so smart. Now look, I'm going to cut the cake. Look at that. What is it? It is cake. And is it a solid, liquid, or gas? You're right, it is a solid. It is a solid. Good job, guys. So now that we're going to sing, we sang happy birthday to Matt or Matt. We're going to say, Matt or Matt, we went to this birthday party and we got to see all kinds of things. We got to see necklaces. We got to have our liquid bubbles that we have to blow out. So I want you guys to try this at home. Oops. Try to blow those bubbles and tell your parents or your caregiver that I'm blowing gases. I'm blowing gases to get the bubbles. And then if you guys see anything at home, a cup, a ball, and you try to make it in the cup, these are both solids because it's hard. Do you see that? They're hard. This is hard too. It's a solid. It doesn't pour out, right? And it's not a gas, so it's a solid. Solids are everywhere, and solids are so much fun. We can have so much fun with solids. So thank you for sharing this with me, and have a great Matter day.